Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Memorial Day. I hope you guys had a great long weekend and got to celebrate the holiday a little bit. I know we've been in quarantine for so long, so now that things are starting to lift, I hope you guys were able to get outside and enjoy the weather. Hopefully it is good wherever you are. In Florida, it is getting so hot, so a little bit unbearable. It's getting towards those super hot summer months, but I still love it. I love being able to go outside whenever I want, so I was able to do that this weekend. And this video is going to be my Ipsy bag unbagging. I haven't done one of these yet, and actually I haven't had Ipsy in a long time. Well, not a long time. I canceled it for a couple months just because I kept on getting repeat products, and same with BoxyCharm actually, which is the other subscription box. And I just decided to kind of give it a break for a little bit, but just a couple months, maybe a few, just to see if the products would get better. And I know they have been getting better products. I know I got a Tarte product. I got the Dewy Skin Cream, and that was actually in my April favorites video. So that was an amazing find. But I looked at what I got for this month, but I don't remember what I got, so it actually works out. And you were actually able to pick one of your products, which is amazing. I don't know if is that a new thing? I don't think I've ever done that before. Maybe one other time. So that's fairly new to Ipsy. I know BoxyCharm does something similar to that as well, which is another new thing. We're able to customize it. And also, don't mind my shirt. I know it is a fall shirt, but it is red, white, and blue, so I figured it was perfect for today since it's Memorial Day. But anyway, let's get into the bag. This is the bag for this month. It's really pretty. It's a light pink and orange ombre, which I think is really cute. And you open it up and get the little card, and it says, "Get that glow." The inside is talking about highlighters, so I guess this month was about highlighters, so maybe that's what I got in the box or in the bag. And on the back it just has the add-ons that you can choose. I know sometimes they have prices on the cards, or at least the information on here about the products, but it's not on here, so that's kind of useless. So the first product in the box is a nail polish from the brand Sundays. So it comes in this cute little box. And this is 10-free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is always nice. I think I've gotten one polish from this brand before. Yeah, I definitely have, because I recognize the packaging. It comes in this cute little square bottle, and it has the soft touch lid, which I really like. And this is a baby pink, and this shade is in number 8. Guess that's how they name their shades. Oh, it's actually thicker than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be some type of jelly or sheer polish, just the way it looks in the bottle. But this is a really nice shade for summer, so I look forward to trying that out. The next product is an organic lip balm from Lasting Smiles. Here it is right here. And it is in Peach Blossom. So let's see. It's just a clear balm, but it smells like peaches. Ooh, that smells really good. I love the smell of peaches, so we'll see how this works. And oh, I like their slogan. It says "Smile for a Cause," and it says supports global water projects. So I do kind of want to look into that and see what that says. I don't know if that is the cause, if Lasting Smiles is the cause, or some other cause is what they donate products to or donate money to, but I will look into that. The next product is from Space Case Cosmetics, and it comes in this little box, and this is called Intense Stargasm. Interesting. Come on. This is an eyeshadow. I don't know why I was thinking this was a highlighter, but this is an eyeshadow. It comes in the same little packaging as Colourpop does, so it's right there. That's the shade. Oh, it feels very creamy, so that is the shade right there. Oh, that's pretty. It's different than I thought it was going to be. It looked like it was going to be like straight gray, but it's not. It's got a little purple to it. Oh, I really like that. That's definitely different than I expected, so I will definitely be trying that out just to see how that performs on the eyes. This next product is from Marc Anthony True Professional, and this is the leave-in conditioner. So it comes in this tube right here. I think I've tried some of his products. I don't really remember, but these are sulfate-free and paraben-free and phthalate-free, which is really good because I've talked about I can't use that in my hair because I did have color-treated hair. So I just don't want to strip my hair with those harsh ingredients. And actually the directions tell you to spray it onto damp hair from roots to ends and do not rinse, comb through and style as usual, which I'm pretty sure it's not a spray. Yeah, it's not. It comes in a tube. So you have to put this in your hair and apply from root to end, which is interesting because sometimes it tells you to apply like from the half down, but this tells you to apply from the roots, which I like better actually because I think it should condition from the roots down, because if you don't, then you're only going to condition half your head, well, half your hair. So I like that you can go to the roots. I know some products are just too much to put near your roots and near your scalp, but this is supposed to detangle and hydrate dry, damaged hair into soft, smooth, healthy looking hair. So I look forward to trying that out because my hair is looking awful lately, so maybe this will help it out a little bit, but we'll see. Definitely try that out. And then the last product, oh, now seeing this, I remember. This is Benefit Roller Lash, and actually this is the one I picked. And I love this mascara. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras. And that's why I picked it as soon as I saw it as a choice. I definitely had to pick it, and it comes in this tube. And I actually am running out of a lot of my mascaras. I have a bunch unopened, but oh well. But that is the wand. It's a curled wand. So it's supposed to curl your lashes. They're not natural bristles, they're the plastic bristles, which I've talked about before that I like because I feel like they grasp onto my lashes better than natural mascara. But actually the one I'm wearing right now, these are natural bristles. This is the Tarte, a new Tarte mascara, and I actually just did a look on this. I just filmed this, which I just posted on Friday, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But I used that new mascara in that video and I love it, and that's a natural bristle. Natural bristles never really look like this on my eyes, so that was a pleasant surprise. But this one I know is one of my favorites, so I knew I was going to pick this as soon as I saw it as an option. I don't even remember what the other options were. I think there's a few that you can choose from, or even more than that, but I always love getting mascaras, and I did mention in my other video, I love getting these smaller sizes because I feel like you go through it. Well, you do go through it faster, but the product kind of stays in its original formula even until you finish it. It doesn't dry out. You're not forced to throw it out if it goes bad because there's so much product and I have so many mascaras. So I love being able to try out multiple mascaras at a time and still have the formula stay really nice the entire time throughout the tube. So those are the 5 products in this month's Ipsy bag. I actually do like most of these products. I have used that nail polish brand before, and if I recall correctly, I think I did like that formula, and I think it lasted a decent amount of time on my nails. So I will definitely be trying out that new color. I think it's a really nice one for summer. And then I will be trying out the hair product, and I will definitely look into that chapstick just to see what the cause are, because I love when brands give to a cause. I think it's a great way for people to learn about new things when they purchase products, and it shows that the brand cares a lot more about the environment or any other causes than just their product, which I really appreciate, so I will definitely look into that and try out that balm and see how I like it. But that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!